It's a great day for couples painting at Patricia's Art Emporium. This is Patty and John saying hello, welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. Today, guys, I'm working with a 12 by 12?
12 by 12.
12 by 12 canvas that we already did something with previous, and we covered it over. And it was white, and I just put black on it, and I'm gonna try to do, emphasis on try, I'm going to try to do a Aurora Borealis.
Borealis.
So, hopefully. First, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put down a couple of puddles of black paint so that the colors will flow better. Okay, now the colors that I used in my cup, hopefully you can see that.
Ooh, they're pretty, huh?
Can they see that in the camera?
Let's see. Nope. Yep. There you go.
Okay. The colors that I'm using are Craft Smart Neon Green, Craft Smart Neon Yellow, Color Shift Blue Violet Flash, Deco Art Peacock Teal, Craft Smart Neon Orange, Craft Smart Neon Pink, Anita's Lavender, Apple Barrel Sublime Lime, and let's see, the dark blue is
Dark blue.
Cobalt Blue from Artist Loft. Now what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna go around these puddles now with this color. Wish me luck. I hope it works.
Ooh, cool.
I hope I mixed enough paint.
Little bubbles there, you see them?
Yeah, that's
little
probably
bubble.
because the,
Look in here, look, all these little red dots popping up.
yeah, interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Okay guys, I'm done.
Oh, done. Okay, have a nice day.
Oh, I hope this works. I don't know, Johnny boy. Doesn't look like a sky though, does it?
Okay.
Probably should have put the black in one area, huh?
Always pour black on there. You want to separate things. What would be cool is if you could get this blue to stretch all the way to the end and leave the green there. And make this look like, yeah, wow.
Well, and make it look like what? Oh, so the black is there?
Yeah, so the black opens up and this stuff from here to here all runs off the end. So you just have this up left with no green up there. But I don't know how good that would be.
Well,
what you want to do?
it doesn't look like anything right now, so.
That's pretty. This green, I mean, if you tilted it towards you, this green should go. Oh, look at us. How you do? How you do? Turn it right to the camera.
I learned.
Well, it looks kind of neat here. This here like that.
Looks a little more like the sky now, right?
Yeah, maybe I go back the other way now to get that green to move back down a little bit. I don't know if that can if that'll happen.
Oh, which way?
Yeah, you tilt it this way. Let's see if the green will go back down anymore. Oh, stop. You're closing off your black. What you could do is you could put black in here and black that's all out and black along in there so you separate the blue completely from the green. You know what I'm saying?
Just pour some black.
I would pour, I just take from here to here, just pour black right in there so you can run it up.
And here?
And then there, do the same thing, and then you could take this section off and make it all black, take that section off, and that way you separate the
So
whole,
there's Aurora and black in the middle.
yeah.
And then the sides can stay like that too, right?
Yeah, too bad you couldn't get, if you could get this to go like a bird's head, it would looks like two wings going this way. And a bird with its wings out like that. You any good at drawing a bird's head?
Yeah, right. All right.
You think this is a good idea? It's up to you.
I kind of think it's cool.
Like it is? But don't touch it.
Well, no, I don't know.
Don't listen
What do
to
you
me.
think?
No, it's up. Yeah, it's cool.
It's definitely different.
Yeah. Well, now you got
I have a little yellow.
You only got little edges you got to fill in here. You got a lot, you got a puddle over here, so I'm sure there's plenty to fill in those white spots.
Well, should I put stars there or wait until it dries?
Stars there?
Some stars in the sky.
Whites in the black or in the blue?
In the black.
Well, actually, you got all these dots, these little cells in here. There's just pink dots. So you could do whatever you want to do. If you put it in now, the white's going to spread.
Yeah.
If you wait till it dries, you can just put the dots on there.
Wonder if I should pour that here? No.
Oh, no. I wouldn't do anything.
All right. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm gonna use the thing.
What thing are you going to use?
The torch.
Oh, you're going to use the torch. Okay, hold on. I'll get it for you.
Boy, oh boy, it got nasty very quickly. My hands. Thank you. What I could have done is not poured that off and had the blue meet the thing and be a total Aurora Borealis with no black in the sky at all. But it's too late now.
You're popping cells over here, popping bubbles over there. Don't get too close. You'll be cooking. It's looking good.
Okay guys, that's it for today. This is my Aurora Borealis extraordinaire. I think I put too much colorful paint on it, but we'll see how it comes out. If it stays this color, I'm keeping it no matter what, because it's so difficult for me to get kind of bright colors lately. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, thumbs up.
You almost put your hand
Oh,
in
did
there.
I? Oh, I did.
I don't think it did. No.
No. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and bang the bell to be notified of new videos. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, co-workers, people you meet in the shopping mall. Check out our other paintings on eBay site, user John Him. This is Patty and John from Couples Painting at Patricia's Art Emporium saying thanks again for watching, and please be kind to one another and enjoy each moment of every day. Peace.
Peace. Goodbye.